Hello and welcome. Over the next few videos, I'm going to be introducing you to the Paper 2D plugin for Unreal Engine 4. This allows you to create your own 2D sprite-based games using UE4, which, as you know, UE4 is already a powerful tool for creating 3D games, but as of Paper 2D, you can now start making some really cool 2D experiences as well. Just to kind of give a general heads up, many of the features of Paper 2D are in a very early state and should still be considered in development. We're constantly touching on and kind of brushing up this whole experience. So I didn't want to wait until we were past the early access point. I thought it'd be cool to just go ahead and make some training for you now. But here is the end result of what we'll be doing. So you see, this looks a lot like the Paper 2D template. If you haven't actually played with that already, you can, at any point in UE4, as long as you've got 4.4 or later, you can go to File, and you can create a new project. And if you scroll down, you will see 2D side scroller in Blueprint or Code. And essentially, what we've done in this over the next few videos, what you're going to do is create that template from scratch. So we're going to start off with a completely blank project of our very own. And we are going to create our little 2D hero here. We're going to give him some ability to animate. So you see he's kind of standing there. He's got idle. He can run. He can jump. We're also going to show you how to make this little cool 2D lift, which is intelligent. So to show you how this works real quick, if we select the lift, we've got some controls for it. We can give it an end location for where we want it to go. So I could put it over here if I wanted to. We can give it a travel time, so let's speed it up so it moves. It'll go from point A to point B in 2 seconds. And we'll give it a stop delay of only 1 second. We can also change its color. And we can test that end position to make sure that it's going right where we want. As a matter of fact, let's put it, say, about here. So we'll put it on the other side. So there you go. You can see how that's going to work. So now if we play the game, you see it takes off and it rides away. And now it's on its way back. And we can jump on it, and it'll take us where we want to go. Or if we get down underneath it, if it bumps into us, it'll change and go back directions. So I'll show you how to set all of that up in Blueprint, along with all of the necessary 2D elements to create a 2D character that is running back and forth. Now, the textures that you will need for this are actually going to be, they're already available to download from the wiki, and in the next video I'll show you the address for where you can get those. So without any further ado, let's get started and let's learn a bit about Paper 2D.